The Grinch that stole liquidity. Bah humbug. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, December the 21st. And well. First of all, today's update is brought to you by our friends at Family Farms. They take care of us, we take care of them, and we all have the same goal, to work for the farmers and get them in the best possible position, which we've been doing all for the last couple of weeks as the grain markets continue to run. But in the meantime, here we are. Markets, the FCMs will be the Grinch in this case, who've stolen the liquidity that allow these markets to function properly. And what a crock we have. In the meantime, you had the markets were sailing along early this morning, around 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, and out of nowhere, they collapsed. And they went into a free fall, almost going down limit before bouncing off and cutting back those losses substantially. Now probably about 60% back. Now, who knows where they're going to be? They could be up on the day before it's over or get absolutely murdered. This is what you have when you have a market that gives you no true opportunity. Now, it would be no surprise to see a big down day based on the rally we've had, especially if you look at the Russell up 7 weeks in a row. We are still long across the board. That has not changed. The metals looked like they were going to have a huge update. Silver was up over $1. Gold was up almost 20. Silver was higher. Suddenly, out of nowhere, gold is down. Platinum's getting crushed. Silver has still managed to hang on to gains. Okay, but overall, again, the same issues apply. All markets today are in the same crap position without liquidity. All right? Crude is getting smashed, and we're still long. Ouch. But again, look, we'll see what happens. When they change, they'll change, and I'll change right with them. However, when you look at it, you can just see that it was just like straight down, and that's where they're going right now. Now, we would certainly expect crude to have an opportunity to go higher again. But again, you know how I hate being long at the beginning with, but we've made a lot of money, so I'm certainly not going to complain. The bond markets are higher, but they were much higher before giving back much of their gains. So you can see this similar pattern. Wherever they were earlier, they're not there right now. The dollar is a little bit higher, but it is in trouble. The dollar looks like it could get really smashed, and 88 cents is certainly on the cards here. Net gas a little bit lower. Copper is under some pressure, but again, copper is going nothing but straight up. Remember, we never expect markets to go straight in one direction. There should always be either a pullback or a rally, depending on the direction. And that's where you use to put the markets in your favor by your buying support in uptrends and you're selling resistance in downtrends. Pretty basic, pretty simple. Grain markets are, they're up partially. Beans and corn. Corn has been up the whole time. Corn never suffered. Soybeans were up big, down big, and now up slightly or flattish. Again, it could change while I'm doing the report, so it's hard for me to give you an exact, but wheat is still under pressure. We are still long the entire complex and look for a lot more exciting things. Again, I believe that these are nothing more than buying opportunities. Meats are all slightly lower across the board. We're long across the board. But again, the pattern for everything fits, so it's not like it's a major concern yet. Now, of course, liquidity and the lack of it can become a major concern. But for now, we'll just go with the flow. And in the softs, cotton's getting hammered today, but it has had such a nice rally. OJ is lower. We're short. We're long cotton, short OJ. Coffee was down almost $4. Is back to almost unchanged, but still lower. We're long. Sugar is slightly higher, but on both sides, a very small move, and cocoa is lower. We're short sugar, short cocoa, long coffee, long cotton. So, look, as I've said all along, it's a treacherous market because they've taken away true opportunity that we don't have natural liquidity where the asset classes are pricing themselves. You've got a market that has been more restricted and more controlled. That's what it is. So we will have to just deal with that, whatever it is, and we will go forward. Remember, trade the market you have, not the one you want. In the meantime, don't forget about our partners, our brokerage partners. Now, again, full disclosure, I have other brokerage accounts, but the two brokers I prefer for futures and commodities, it's the CTG group. First thing is they trade my accounts. Okay, number one. Number two, they've got some brand new, great managed programs, managed futures, if you ever looked into them. Number three, they have great customer service. They help my people. They are the only authorized letter of direction broker that I will allow because they do the right thing. They execute orders on time every morning at the same exact time. And what else can I ask for than consistency? And for equities and options, there's trade here. I mean, again, it's $10 a month. I did a webinar Saturday, which you can certainly get the recording if you want. But I was talking about that. That's, commissions are not a part of your cost or part of your liquidity. In a market that has no liquidity, do I really want to overpay? And 65 cents a contract is still overpaying when I can do it for $10 flat. But again, they've got great service, and we showed off our new automation in the Vegas seminar. It is awesome. I can't wait. I can't wait to bring it out to everybody. Now, you don't have to use it. You can get the signals, the reports, just like everybody else. But if you'd like to be automated and you'd like to have the opportunity to have the system trade for you, it will do it. That's up to you. And the commodity report, tonight's Monday night call, Andy Heck will be there. In fact, I'll invite you, if you'd like to be a special guest and come in and tune in tonight, just shoot me an email at bubba@bubbatrading.com. I'll send you a special link. I don't normally do that, but I will today because, again, I want you to hear what Andy has to say and how we discuss markets for a couple hours. And our high school program, which we're hoping to finish in the next couple of weeks for next year, it takes a lot of capital and a lot of action to get it done. And, I do get some help from you at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. But 90% of it I do fund myself, and it's a pretty big picture. But overall, it's all good. We don't complain. We have a good time. And, of course, Monday Night Football, another rag game. Okay, now, here you have Pittsburgh a 15-point over Cincinnati. Enjoy the game. If you want to play it. I don't know. I wouldn't even know what side to guess on. Okay. Now, just full disclosure there, too. I've got both sides because I've got a big parlay live coming into tonight. So I'm hedging the game on the other side. Other than that, just watch these markets. Please be careful. It is too treacherous and too dangerous to get too aggressive. That's it for today, kids. This is Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, the 21st of December. Have a great day. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. And hopefully the Grinch will be gone. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.